Now, due to pandemic, all India Ayush graduate entrance exams was delayed, but finally it was conducted, taking all the recommended precautions on 28th September 2020. Now, there are solution of questions asked in that exam in this video, specifically the homeopathic entrance paper. So the question is small boils painful with green pus. This feature is seen in which medicine? Pipersal, tuberculinum, arnica or belladonna. Now if we see the characteristic features of arnica, the arnica patient, the arnica tendency to small painful boils one after another, extremely sore. This is the characteristic feature of arnica. Then hipersal, the open to the abscess and hasten the cure if the case is this. Then we can prescribe hipersal. The patient is very peevish, angry at the least trifles, hypochondriac and is very sensitive to the cold air. Then we will see the next medicine belladonna. Now the belladonna, there is great liability to take cold, sensitive to draft air. Now the type of boils of belladonna is red color. Now the belladonna must be thought of in the first stage before the pus formation of the boil. Now the indication of the boil: redness, swelling, heat of the part. Now the fourth medicine, tuberculinum. Now in this the boils are in a crops, intensely painful. Green discharge is there from the boil. So this is the correct answer. Tuberculinum is the medicine which is given in the boil in the form of crop, small, having pain and discharge of green color. Now the next question is related to the retinoblastoma. Two statements were given. Now out of that we have to identify whether the statement was true. Both were true. Now the first statement was retinoblastoma is the most common intraocular tumor of the childhood. The second statement was retinoblast gene has been identified as 14 brand on long arm of chromosome 10. Now the first statement which states that childhood retinoblastoma is mostly seen in childhood is correct answer, whereas the specific gene related to that is present on the chromosome 10. This is false because it is caused by congenital mutation in the chromosome number 13 gene, not in the 10th gene. The first statement is true, second is wrong. Now what is retinoblastoma? Retinoblastoma is an eye cancer that begins in the retina. The sensitive lining of the inside of the eye. Retinoblastoma most commonly affects young children but rarely occur in adults. Retina is made up of nerve tissue that senses light as it comes through the front of your eyes. Now next question, what do you mean by adipocere? Now adipocere is a greyish waxy substance formed by the decomposition of the soft tissue in the dead body, subjective to the moisture. So this is the answer. Now the next question is related to the germ cell tumor. Now what do you mean by germ cell tumor? Germ cell tumor is a neoplasm derived from germ cell. Germ cell tumor can be cancerous or benign. Germ cell normally occur inside the bone, either ovary or testis. Then the next question. Now, what is the commonest benign tumor of the placenta? Hematoma, papilloma, adenoma, or chorioangioma? So the correct answer among these four, the chorioangioma of the placenta is the commonest benign tumor of the placenta. The next question is related to the bronchial asthma. Now, bronchial asthma is a condition in which the person's airway becomes inflamed, narrow and swollen, and produces extra mucus which makes difficult to breathe. Now the causative agent of bronchial asthma, basically it affects children. The environmental factor including exposure to air and pollution and allergens trigger the asthma. Exercise also trigger the asthma. Then the pollen grains trigger asthma as well. Now the next question, flexor of the elbow joint. What do you mean by flexor of the elbow joint? Now the bicep brachii and the brachialis muscles are the main flexor of the elbow joint. Now the next question is related to the Kent's repertory. Now the question is, the cross-reference rubric of absent-minded is given for this section of Kent's repertory. So the answer for this is forgetful. Then the next question is related to the lymphatic system. Now the question is, thoracic duct drain the following area except right lower limb, left lower limb, left upper limb, or right upper limb. Now the thoracic duct basically is a main lymphatic vessel for the return of lymph to the systemic venous system. It drains lymph from both lower limbs, abdomen, except the convex area of the liver. The thoracic duct drains the lymph from 75% of the body. Now the only area from which thoracic duct do not bring the blood is right upper limb. What are the normal labor stages? The next question is related to the stages of labor. So in the first stage, when the neck of cervix open to 10 centimeter, this is known as. In the second stage, the baby moves down to the vagina and is born. And in the third stage, the placenta is removed. So these are the normal labor stages. Then the next question, awkwardness is given under which chapter of Kent's Repertory? So the answer for this awkwardness, this rubric is found in the Kent's Repertory under extremities. This awkwardness is found. Now what do we mean by saponification value? Now 4 oils were given and the question was, among these which of the oil is having the highest value for saponification? The oils which were given were olive oil, linseed oil and coconut oil. Now basically saponification value is represented by the number of milligram of potassium hydroxide required to saponify 1 gram of fat under the condition. So this is the saponification value. Now we will see which is having the highest saponification value. Now linseed oil is having 150 milligram QH per gram, whereas the saponification of olive oil is 187 to 196 and that of coconut oil is 246 to 263. So among these, coconut oil is having the highest value of saponification. Another question is based on therapeutic of diarrhea, which was given by James Bell. Now this is a famous book. Now in this the question was, how many grading system are there in James Bell therapeutic diarrhea? Correct option for this is there are 4 grading system in James Bell homeopathic therapeutic of diarrhea. The first grading is the Roman bold, which is the first grade, 4 marks given to it, then italic, simple Roman and then the Roman.